In this video, I'll tell you about hazards associated with the pedestrian at site and their control measures. Pedestrian means anyone traveling on foot. The common hazards associated with the pedestrian at site are hit by vehicle or equipment, falling objects, flying objects from the process, slipping, tripping, and falling due to poor housekeeping, poor illumination, open holes, and unprotected edges, electrocution from naked electrical cables, exposure to chemicals, exposure to biological agents such as bacteria, fungi, virus, exposure to radioactive material like uranium, plutonium, contact injuries from tools and unguarded equipment, exposure to noise, vibration, dust, etc., falling from heights, exposure to waste material. In order to ensure safety of pedestrian at site, conduct a risk assessment and considering general pattern of pedestrian and vehicle movement at site. Pedestrian routes are to be segregated from vehicle moving area. Adequate warning signs are to be placed at site. Have speed restrictions for vehicle in place. All open holes are to be covered. Unprotected edges are to be protected with guardrails. Excavations are to be barricaded. Ensure good housekeeping. Improve illumination at site. All chemicals are to be stored in lidded containers in limited quantity with a label on it. Hot work area to be barricaded or shielded. All naked electrical cables are to be double insulated and to be connected through a circuit breaker. All unguarded machines are to be protected with machine guards. In order to protect pedestrian from falling object, safety nets are to be used at site. Water to be sprayed at site to suppress the dust. Adequate ITIS to be provided to the pedestrian regarding the hazards associated at site. Pedestrians should be provided with the appropriate PPE if essential. In order to ensure safety of vehicle and pedestrian where segregation is not possible, conduct a risk assessment and identify the hazards associated. Have speed restrictions in place. Provide adequate speed breakers on traffic routes. Improve illumination on traffic routes. Separate crossing point, that is zebra lines, for pedestrians. Ensure presence of a physical guide or banksman, direct vehicle and pedestrian movements. Separate timing can be allocated for pedestrians and vehicles. Provide adequate ITIS to the pedestrians and drivers. Have one-way system if possible. Provide warning signs such as narrow route. The banksman should wear reflecting vest. Whistle or audible alarm can be provided to the banksman to control vehicle and pedestrian movements. I hope this video was useful for you. Those who are not subscribed my YouTube channel so far, please subscribe and press the bell button below too so that you'll get the notification for all new videos. Thank you.